Yes, it's a fat lie. Passive income, easy money, yo, do this and you're gonna make, it's a lie. It's cheap and it's a lie. Those that pursue easy money will either stay poor, they make it illegally, or they make it immorally, or they hit some sort of lottery ticket, get a spike and come back down. Every single dollar I have made has been a literal physical and mental grind and a monetary grind. I have literally spent money to make money. So what I'm telling you is, I need you to get out of the get rich quick mindset, the passive income mindset, all that crap that you're gonna see on TikTok and YouTube. Don't believe it. None of those are real and none of it is actual true entrepreneurship. It's not actually solving a real world problem and making people's lives better, making people's lives happier, making them more convenient. Real entrepreneurship, the real grind, you're gonna work more than an employee. Right? The idea that you're gonna work 2-3 hours a week and make $100,000 a year, that's BS. Again, it'll be illegally, immorally, or you'll stay poor your entire life chasing that fantasy of a dream. Right? True entrepreneur. Bro, I've been at it for 10 years now. Since I was 17, I'm 27 now. The true is a literal grind. I outwork every single person in this office. I put hours it's Monday through Sunday. Bro, vacations are 2-3 days at most. And even on vacations, I am working throughout the entire vacation. Like, it's a nonstop grind. And what happens is that most of you are being lied to because it's easier, right? It sounds pretty. Oh, work an hour a day and you'll be a millionaire or whatever BS. Because it sounds pretty if you just buy this one program, you're gonna get every secret you need to get to this fantasy dream. The problem is that, we're about to enter a recession. True, actually we are in a recession, but this will be worse than 08. This will be closer to a depression. It's getting nasty. It's getting real nasty, which means people are gonna get real desperate, right? You're gonna get real desperate. And all these fantasies, get rich quick, they'll become even more prevalent, right? Because they're gonna prey on that. They're gonna prey on the fact that your back is against the wall and you need a solution out. And obviously, you're gonna wanna take the easy path versus the hard path. I need you to start knowing the hard path is the only way to go. If you truly want to build a business, ask yourself this question. How can I make people's lives better? How can I make them happier? How can I make their life more convenient? Then after that question, don't think, all right, I'm getting rich tomorrow. No, I want you to write every idea that can come to your head as to how you can bring convenience, how you can bring solutions or happiness to people's lives. That true value. Bro, I literally have a book. I've showed this to you before. I have a book with all these ideas. None of these have been executed, by the way. All these are ideas. I don't know if you can tell. They're all ideas like that. None of them have been executed. Shoot, our way, our business, came out of this, exactly this question. In 2019, when we saw, we had zero control over logistics and how fast products move, but our customers still demanded fast product. That was the beginning stages of our initial stages of our way of being able to do same-day delivery for products. On top of that, we started thinking, how much money do we spend on products that we don't end up using? And we don't return because the return process is a hassle. So we're like, all right, this is a market that's never been tried to fix. No convenience has brought to it. You want to know why? Because brands don't want your returns. They don't want to have to deal with returns. So why make the process easier? So we figured out a way, we got to make this easier. All right, so we can do same-day returns now. We have spent the last 2.5 years building this out. Out of my own money, over $1 million have been dumped into it. So it's been 2.5 years of grind, a physical, a mental, and a monetary grind. And we've made a dime off of that. We haven't made a jack crap. But I know that this will bring convenience to consumers that demand things now, and it will bring happiness to consumers that want to return things that they do no longer want and add money back into their bank account effortlessly. On top of it, also helps our suppliers. It also helps the businesses increase their ROAS because we're going to be targeting a demographic that wants things now. And by the way, wait until you see our e-commerce strategy that we're going to attach to this in the next year or two that we're also developing now. Bro, it's a nonstop grind. And you want to know why? I'm playing for keeps, man. Like I'm working for every single dollar, and I want to make every dollar as valuable as possible. Like when you're entering this game, don't think you're gonna come in here play tic-tac-toe. You're gonna come play chess or checkers. You're playing chess, right? You need to figure out the consumer. You need to figure out what is it that they want. And the idea of passive income is BS, right? The idea of easy money is BS. I don't want you to go in with this mentality because you will get played. You will get played, and then you're gonna think that the whole industry is a mess, but it's really, you fell into the trap of the path of least resistance. In entrepreneurship, I'm telling you, it's that hard path, man.